Hey, fried snapper, J. Kale's way. Go ahead and slice the front side, flip it over and squeeze fresh lime. Add some kosher salt. Add black pepper as well. Add some Creole seasoning. Add some allspice. I love allspice. Please go ahead and click subscribe and that little bell. We're going to add paprika. Give me a share, give me a like, all that good stuff. All right, and we are going to pat the seasoning down and slightly rub it as well, all around. Then flip it over, add a little black pepper, Creole seasoning, and cayenne pepper so we can have that skin nice crispy with a hint of spice. And again, we're going to rub that on the fish inside of the slits as well. In our cast iron skillet, we're going to put some avocado oil. I love to season my oil, so we did put a handful of our peppers and some garlic. You're going to add a little onion as well and just stir it around and let it sort of just cook with the oil for a little minute. Skin side down, place it in your cast iron. Ooh, 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 ooh. We have a little commercial break, y'all. So we're going to go ahead and make our sauce that's going to be cooked with the fish. We are going to cook that. If you want to multitask, please do this while your fish is frying, because it's best to have your sauce ready as soon as the fish is done. Now back to the sauce. What you're going to do is you have the beautiful bell pepper family, red, green, yellow, and orange. You're going to slice them up and put them inside of the blender with some olive oil. I use fresh thyme as well, some fresh parsley. I use sweet onion as well as red onion. Go ahead and put all of that inside of your blender. That is habanero pepper. The habanero pepper is going to give us a nice good kick, and we're going to do a half a lemon freshly squeezed inside of there as well with some salt, pepper, and more olive oil. And there we go. That's how you make your 4-pepper sauce for your dish. Let's go. All right, our skin side is nice and crisp. We can go ahead and flip our snapper fillet over. If you haven't already, this is the perfect time to click subscribe. Look at that, look at that. And let it continue to just do its little thing in that cast iron. All righty, the fish is done. Let's go ahead and put it on our cutting board. You're going to also remove the rest of the veggies out at that point. Add some chicken broth, veggie broth, whatever you like, just some broth. Let it boil. Once you see it boiling, you're going to go ahead and add that beautiful blended 4-pepper sauce. Ooh, it looks so good. Go ahead and add the remaining veggies that you happen to have. It'll add a nice, beautiful contrast of colors and the pop of your dish. I am sorry I forgot to record when I added the shrimp, but go ahead and add your shrimp and some pepper and Creole seasoning and get your little spatula, and you're going to part that shrimp like it's the Red Sea, baby. And you're going to place your snapper right in the middle. And baby, we are done. All you have to do from that point is just add some more of that fresh thyme. Go ahead and place another fresh lemon in that, baby, because why not? And listen, you all enjoy. If you all would like to know how I made my cabbage and plantains, just stroll down on my playlist. You'll see it there. This is your girl, J. Kales. Thanks for watching. Peace out and be blessed.